Salt Lake County Mayor Jenny Wilson says she is trying to manage a public health and economic crisis brought on by COVID-19. Today, she weighed in on the economic recovery, also schools reopening, and a proposed statewide mask mandate. Fox 13's Ben Winslow joins us live with more. Ben.
The mayor announced millions of dollars in grant money available for businesses that are struggling to make ends meet during the pandemic. She also talked to me about her mask mandate and whether the governor will take it statewide.
Please help us run out of money. That's what we want.
Salt Lake County announced it's offering $35 million in grants to help small businesses. They have to have less than 100 employees and show they've been impacted by COVID-19.
It's open now to all business types.
The money, which comes from the Federal CARES Act, is welcome news for many struggling to stay open because it doesn't have to be repaid.
What's great about this is that it's a grant. It's a grant that can be applied directly to the business, to operating capital, to cover payroll.
As we look at 2021, we're feeling better about our economic recovery.
Salt Lake County Mayor Jenny Wilson says she's seeing positive signs. She says there's data showing her controversial face mask mandate is working, with COVID-19 cases starting to drop.
We're feeling good about the requirement here in the county, and we're hoping for a statewide requirement. That's what will move the needle further.
So are you pushing the governor to just go ahead and do it?
Yeah, the governor, I pushed him last week. It's time, and we are now within that window of time where he said August 1, and so I'd love to hear from him this week.
But the mayor does have concerns about schools reopening. She previously said she wasn't comfortable sending her own kids back to school.
I think I feel a little better with a high schooler, but I worry about every family and our health as an overall, concern. I mean, I feel like as a parent, I want my kids to learn. I'm tired of the computer for them, right? We do our best to get them out, but it's tough. And as a parent, I get it. But I think when you look at the large number of kids that we have in our state, the fact that we have, a lot of overcrowding and not all schools have the capacity to assure health. Also the nature of a kid, I do have concerns and we're watching it closely.
Now, the governor's office tells me on the subject of a statewide mask mandate, that is still currently being discussed and that he continues to review the data. On the grant program administered by Salt Lake County, we've got information on how businesses can apply at fox13now.com. Live in Salt Lake City, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.